January 22nd, 2016. Snow. See? Ooh, the whole rug get inside. This is our porch. Even grass is not visible. We forgot to put our one car in the garage. Look at our car. I don't think so we can even open the door. I think it's already 4 or 5 inches layer of snow. And they are expecting 8 inches. And see, kids are playing over there in the snow. Ooh, it's a freezing cold. I'm standing outside to take the video. Ooh. So this is the front yard. Ooh, look at this is my door. And see, snow, snow, snow everywhere. Ooh. See, they are playing. They wanted to make a snowman. Let's go now on the backyard. Ooh, I can't run because my slippers are wet. Hi, P. He's doing working from home. See, even here. Look at, if I'm going to open, the snow will come inside. See? Ooh. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at the chair. Chair rails. Ooh. Raised bed, it's almost gone. One of the house they have a covered deck, but look at that window of the covered ones. The catty is there. Look at the roots.